Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Honda GOLDWING Tour. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 Honda GOLDWING Tour with 70,949 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, TPMS, heated seats, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with Gold Strike grips, a V-Stream windshield, air wings wind deflectors, passenger highway pegs, auxiliary LED lights, a luggage rack, and rider footrests. We have installed new tires. Powered by an 1833cc 6-cylinder engine, the GOLDWING puts 125 horsepower and 125 foot-pounds of torque through a 7-speed DCT transmission. With a 5.6-gallon fuel capacity, the GOLDWING has a 200 to 240-mile range. It has a 29.3-inch seat height and an 838-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine guard, a scratch on the exhaust, scratches on the mirror housing, scratches on both saddlebags, and a scratch on the tour pack. This bike has an owner's manual, 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trade. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.